9007 bulb, connector side, O-ring, bulb main guide, glass bulb and filament. Do not touch glass, it can shorten operation time. Before removing bulb, take note of bulb orientation. It will make it easier to reinstall. Remove retainer. It will vary in design by vehicle manufacturer. Pull bulb away from housing. Slide retainer from bulb to overwind. With a flathead screwdriver, lightly pull clip up, just enough to clear the tab to separate. Locking clip from locking tab. Bulb housing main guide. Secondary bulb guides to make sure bulb goes in only one way. Bulb housing retaining locking tabs. There are 3 around the opening. Carefully line up bulb and push in until seated. Reinstall bulb retainer. Reconnect connector to light bulb.